hard as it was to leave the Grand Canyon, we knew that we wanted to go visit some other places. So we spent our last night in the Grand Canyon, and then early in the morning we woke up and we ate at this really amazing restaurant right here. So good. And we went ahead and jumped on the road because we knew we had a long drive. Once we were done with visiting Horseshoe Bend, we definitely had a very long car ride. But as you can tell from everything changing around us, the canyons just got bigger and bigger the closer we got to Bryce National Park. It was incredible. So it kind of made up for the fact that it was such a long drive. It was definitely worth it. Bryce National Park is definitely one of those places that we're gonna have to come back again and spend a lot more time. Although we only did spend a few hours here, the closer that it came to sunset, the more beautiful that it got, truly. So now we are going back on the road. It is almost time for the sun to go down, and now it's time for us to go back on the road again and go right over to Zion National Park. So here's a little sneak peek. Oh my gosh, like I can't. Like I can't even comprehend this. This is the coolest thing we've ever done, right?
Yes. Coolest thing ever. Ever.